friends, I'm Kathleen Hansen, and you found my Vocal Warmups with Kathleen YouTube channel. When I was a young singer, my directors and my teachers would always begin with vocal warmups and vocal exercises, but very few of them explained why or explained what we were working on. So as we work today, we'll warm up our voices together and we'll do some exercises to improve and strengthen our voices, and I'll let you know what we're doing as we go along. As always, start by checking in with alignment and breathing. We want to make sure that our bodies, and therefore our instruments, are well aligned and structured optimally. Take a couple of low natural breaths and sigh out. In these first few exercises, we'll keep things in a limited range and focus on getting things vibrating efficiently with steady airflow. We're going to start by singing a relaxed and open hum, like to a lip trill. Let's glide like. This is going to help us produce a smooth, steady tone. Here we go. To continue to build stability in the voice, we're going to sing on a single O vowel, like O. Envision a round vocal tract and again steady air. Here we go. People each week who say, I didn't know you had an app for singers. So I'm here to tell you that I indeed do have an app for singers. I've published a mobile app. It's called Vocal Warmups with Kathleen. It's available for all platforms. There are no commercials or ads, and you can check it out in the link below. Let's move on now to building a focused or efficient sound. This will be a naturally brighter sound, so check in to make sure you're not overdoing that. We're going to sing on EA, like EA. in with your jaw, shoulders, neck, and tongue, and release any tension that you don't need right now. If you want to build the capacity for singing clean intervals, it's important to practice them. So let's do some exercises that jump around a little bit. Let's sing on ni-o like ni-o, we-o, 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 we. 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 Singing accurate onsets along with breath coordination can be accomplished by practicing the same. We're going to now sing on ki, ke, ki, ke, ki to practice this coordination. Make sure that the notes are detached and easy. Ki, ke, ki, ke, ki. 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 This next exercise works on many things, including crossing the register break and singing longer phrases. We're going to sing on he-aw like he-aw, 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 he. I like to come back to relaxing sounds to make sure we're not adding any unnecessary tension in the voice. Let's descend now as we sing on va, 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 like va, va, va. Now, a lot of singers want to extend their range and sing higher with ease. The only way to work on singing higher is to sing higher. We want to keep our voices relaxed and open, but know that there are going to be some less than perfect sounds at the extremities of our range. So try to let go of judgment when we hit those. We're going to try this on a lip trill, followed by a vowel, like. Now I'm starting with an E vowel, but feel free to modify that as we get higher. Here we go. Finally, to work on flexibility, accuracy, resonance, and range, we're going to sing on the words, "Oh, how I love to sing." Keep the airflow steady and a feeling of gentle openness in the back of the mouth, especially the top of our range. It sounds like this. Oh, how I love to sing. 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 Let's finish with a big sigh down. If you hung in that whole time, we were just shy of 3 octaves today. As always, thank you so much for singing with me today. Let's do it again soon. I do hope you'll check out my app. It's linked below. I'll see you next time. Sven is very unhappy that I just turned off Bird TV for her. Yeah, she's not going anywhere. You okay?